Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. It's been a minute since we did a cook with me. I have a few of them on my computer ready to edit and ready to go, but this one could not wait because I was invited to participate in a collab called Soup-tember. Get it? Soup-tember because it's September. Pretty creative, huh? Anyways, this collab was hosted by Joan over at Joan's Point to Play. I will link her channel down below and up above if I can. So please make sure you go check her out. And I will also have all of the other awesome, fantastic, super, get it? I added soup in there again. Man, I got skills, guys. Super YouTubers who are participating in this collab. I will link them all down below. So, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the recipe I'm choosing to share with you guys. Now, if you guys have been with me at all, you know I love soup. I have all kinds of go-to soup recipes for fall and winter. Sorry guys, kids don't know how to close the door softly. It could have been Steve too though, that would not surprise me. Anyways, as I was saying, you guys have seen me make all kinds of fall and winter soup recipes, so I wanted to try something new. So I hopped on Pinterest and started searching for Weight Watchers soup recipes, and I found one that is perfect for me because, again, if you guys have been watching me for any amount of time, you know I love lasagna. My family loves lasagna. We are just a lasagna kind of family. So what better recipe to share with you guys than lasagna soup? Yeah, lasagna soup. And guys, I'm so excited to give this a try. I found this on Pinterest. It is by Slender Kitchen, one of my go-tos for WW recipes. I will link it down below, so make sure you go check it out, and all of her other recipes, guys. I have never made a recipe by Slender Kitchen that I have not thoroughly enjoyed, and my family enjoys them too. You guys know that my family eats the same food I do for the most part. I'm not gonna go to school and eat their school lunches, so yeah. But if they want pack a lunch, then they can take what mom's eating. That works. But anyway, squirrel moment. Let's see. The recipe is linked down below. I had to make a couple changes. It did call for 97% lean ground turkey. I could not find that, so I used 93% lean ground turkey. I did drain it as well as I could, but just in case, I rebuilt the recipe, and I'm pointing like you guys can see. I have my laptop right here. I used my recipe builder to modify the recipe. So, with the 93% lean ground beef, each serving, which each serving is 1 1/4 cup, comes to only 7 points. Guys, for me, that is a steal. 1 1/4 cups is not small by any means. And then it's got the pasta in there because it's lasagna, and just wait until you see the other ingredients. I am so excited to give this a try. And my thought process is, since it's so low in points, it is for me, I'm gonna probably have a small piece of garlic bread with it, or we could even do 2-ingredient dough. I like to make garlic knots or just biscuits, anything like that. Anything with garlic on it, to be honest with you, because it's Italian. It's lasagna. So, yeah, my point with that was 7 points. We have to pair it with some garlic bread, which I'm not going to be doing in this video. Just know that I am enjoying it with my soup. But all right, guys, that is enough rambling. I'm so excited I can't even think straight right now. So let's head to the kitchen so I can show you guys what I made. All right, friends, quick interruption. I just want to show you the spice blend that I'm using. This is the Fresco Pizza Blend, and it contains dehydrated garlic, dehydrated onion, basil, and oregano. The recipe does call for 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, but I needed to give this one a try. Okay guys, we are at about 45 minutes later. As you can see, the noodles are soft. The spinach is mushy. I only added about half the bag because obviously I'm running a little bit low on space. Last ingredient right before you serve is 1/4 cup of this grated Parmesan cheese. So I'll go ahead and pour this in. I'm going to give this a good stir and we'll get it dished up, and I'll be back to let you know how it tasted. Alright, what did you think? Doesn't that look good? And guys, it was so good. It was so good. I definitely think I needed to add more seasoning to it. I don't know if it was the seasoning blend that I chose to use or what. It didn't taste bad. It just lacked a little bit of flavor, and that is not anything to do with Slender Kitchen's recipe. That is purely me just trying to figure out how much of this new spice I should be using. So I did add a little bit more on top, and then I put a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. Not enough to count for any points, just to add some texture, and it was so good. I would definitely break up the noodles smaller. I don't want to have to cut up my soup. That's not how you eat soup. You don't need to cut it up with the spoon to take a bite. So definitely next time I'm going to break up my noodles even smaller. And I think that was the only change I would have made. So here's something interesting. On Pinterest, it offered me the choice to pick how many servings I wanted the recipe to be. So I think the original recipe was for 6 servings, and I bumped it up to 12 because my son was coming home for dinner. So I was basically going to be feeding 2 adult children and my 2 teenagers, myself, and my husband. So I figured 12 servings is probably what I would need. So yeah, my 14-year-old ended up going to a birthday party and didn't eat dinner with us. And my boys came home from the gym and were not as hungry as I was anticipating. So now I have meal prep. But anyways, really good. I love the zucchini chunks in it. I love the texture that it added. It was really good. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be making this recipe again. So anyways, let me let you guys get out of here. Again, big thanks to Joan for setting up this collab, guys. Go ahead and check her out. Her channel's down below, as well as all the other fantastic YouTubers. You will not be disappointed. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you haven't already, if you'll give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. So please feel free to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.